These cuties are so freaking cute, and I totally get why people love Labubu. Welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite dad, Brian, and today is a very special day because I am unboxing my very first Pop Mart collection. I have Mickey. I have the cutest one ever, DIMOO. My friends are obsessed with Pop Mart. And they don't want to admit this, but they've spent way too much money on those blind boxes. My friends gifted another one of my friends for their birthday all of these blind boxes. And they opened up the Mickey blind boxes right in front of me. She got this little ice cream cone and it was the cutest thing ever. And that inspired me to go out and purchase some Pop Marts. But before we get into the unboxing, let's talk about Pop Mart. If you're new to this world like I am, Pop Mart is a toy designer company that started in Beijing in 2010. They're famous for their blind box collectibles, and they work with artists to create these very detailed and limited edition vinyl toys. These designs range from adorable to like creepy cute, and they've worked with major franchises like Disney and Harry Potter. We have a few stores here in New York. There are vending machines popping up, and there are so many different stores popping up all around the country and the world. Inside every Pop Mart blind box, you're gonna find a few things. Not only are you gonna get that designer toy, but you're also gonna get this little collectible card. And sometimes the toy requires accessories. So depending on what we open up today, I might have some accessories to put on the toy itself. When you're unboxing these blind boxes, you want to try to not look in the box so you don't see the card and spoil the surprise. So when I first got these blind boxes, I wanted to get the Mickey Childhood of Boundless Imagination boxes. I got 5 of them, hoping that I get a honey bun, an ice cream, or a donut. I'll take one of those 3. So let's see what we get. And then I discovered DIMOO Weaving Wonders, and I really want the star catcher. It's so cute. And then I also picked up a Molly because everyone's talking about Molly, so it's Space Edition. And then the monsters. Everyone talks about Labubu, Labubu, Labubu. We're gonna start with Disney and then work our way through all the boxes. Let's do this. Let's talk about that experience. First of all, I think I'm addicted because now I just want to buy like full sets because I just want to get what I want. Let's start with Disney. I'm a little disappointed I did not get my ice cream, my donut, or honey bun. However, I really do enjoy this volcano cake Mickey. I'm a little upset that I have duplicates. So maybe there's a trade that needs to happen at some point. I do like this one. This is Marshmallow Mickey. I do think these are high quality. I will give them that. Oh, and this one. I want to call him Jukebox Mickey, but it's Vending Machine Mickey. I love the detail of like his matte face and then high gloss all around. This one's really cute. This one and the Volcano Cake Mickey are my favorites. So let's talk about DIMOO. You know, it's not what I wanted, but it's kind of cute. He's like he's a dream warrior. Oh, I forget the name of him. Oh, where's the box? The Bear Guardian, not what I wanted. And I think this makes up for the fact that I didn't get any of the Mickey ones that I wanted, because this DIMOO, this one is so cute. This is what I wanted, and I'm so happy I got him. I thought he was just very inspirational, you know, like go catch your dreams, go out, be a star. This is the one that I wanted, so I'm really happy that I got this DIMOO. What's up next? Molly. This one I'm a little disappointed in. So this is, the one I got was Ted, and the little helmet opens up, which is really cute. If you saw in the unboxing of this, I broke the gun. The little gun broke off as I was trying to get it in her hand. This feels the cheapest of them all, so I'm actually disappointed in the Space Molly. Lastly, let's talk about the monsters. These cuties are so freaking cute, and I totally get why people love Labubu. One thing to note is that I didn't get from the box is that there's like mixed materials here. This is fuzzy. It's like a very thin, like felt material, but fuzzier, like nicer. So it has like the matte faces and the matte skin, and then it's this fuzzy exterior. They're so cute. The one that I wanted was Little Bird, and the ones that I got were Show Off and Sleeping. They're still really cute. I like them. Sleeping reminds me of meditation. There's a secret one. I think that's like the meditation one. You know, but I'm really happy with these. These are really cute, and the unexpected surprise of them having this mixed material. So now I'm in like a little bit of a conundrum because I really want to get the Ice Cream Mickey, and they just came out with DIMOO World of Disney, or World of DIMOO Disney, and I kind of just want the whole box set. So if you guys give me a lot of likes and comments and you really show that you like these videos, I'll go out and get a case of the Mickey Childhood Boundless of Imagination and DIMOO World Disney. You make it happen, I'll make it happen, and we can do this together. I had a lot of fun. It's that anticipation of wanting something and either getting it or not getting it. And because I didn't get some of the things that I wanted, I want to get more. Now I can see where the whole shtick of the blind boxing experience comes into play, because now I just want to keep buying more of these. But all in all, I'm a fan. I'm a fan. Do you collect Pop Mart? Do you do other blind boxes? Drop a comment, let me know. Let's talk about it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another video. And if you like this video, like and comment so I can get more blind boxes. That's how this is gonna go. If you have the blind box itch, go scratch it, and happy collecting.